This is a big, big deal. The fact that Amazon has announced a strategic partnership with XRP and Ripple to use Ripple's tech to facilitate the movement of money for Amazon's customers and their business and all this. This is a massive deal. And no one's talking about it. It's crazy. It's not really Main Street news. There's really nothing much being said about this. In fact, on purpose, I didn't talk about this yesterday because I wanted to kind of see who was going to talk about it and if it was going to be out there, if it was going to make, the Financial Times and things like this. Nothing, really. I'm like, this is massive. And also, it also shows the simple thing, the fact that everybody is, quite frankly, checked out. The price of XRP not moved an inch. And I think this goes directly to the heart of something I talk a lot about in my videos, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And the fact that so many people, I'm talking about millions globally, are scared and they're waiting to figure out when they should put their money back into cryptos like XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, etc. Because this is groundbreaking. When Amazon chooses and makes this strategic announcement to facilitate and use, Ripple integrating XRP for payment transactions to offer faster, more efficient payment solutions for Amazon's global customer base, bringing cryptocurrencies into an e-commerce as a major step towards mainstreaming cryptocurrencies in e-commerce. This is big. This is it. This is like, I don't know. I don't know how much bigger I can tell you. And it's just like, everybody's checked out. It was like, what the hell? It's like, I was on purpose waiting around to kind of just see how it was all going to play out. And I'm like, all right, well, I guess I'll go ahead and talk about it because I wanted there to be more to discuss around this. I wanted to be able to talk about, hey, the price of XRP is moving up and all this kind of stuff. And instead, the video turned into, why is everybody not really paying attention? In fact, I want your guys' opinion. Drop in the comments below. What do you think's going on? Why did this partnership not move the price of XRP? I'm curious as to your thoughts because this is massive. The fact that Amazon's doing this and the fact that Ripple, now I realize that this is one of many partnerships and Ripple is a global business. I get all that, but you're talking about the largest brand in the world signs this deal to leverage Ripple's tech and XRP doesn't move a penny, really. Anyway, it's kind of interesting, but it does go back to the heart of what I've talked about all the time, is that people are waiting for the proverbial other shoe to fall, the issues. What's the next bad thing that's going to hit crypto? And I think literally everybody's more comfortable stuffing their money under their mattresses right now, which is frustrating. Sitting here every day trying to basically come up with great content for you guys and to watch the market. Bottom line, it's a great time to buy XRP. Not investing advice. I've continued to add to my bag. Let me know your thoughts around this partnership with, Ripple and Amazon. This is a big deal, and nobody's talking about it. All right. See you. Bye.